Hi guys, and welcome back to Nana Joe's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make 3 summer recipes that are going to be super easy and scrumptious, which is the most important part. We're making 2 types of aguachile, the green, the red, and fish ceviche. Here I have 14 pounds of deveined shrimp. Yes, I did get them depuped because if I were to do it myself, by the time I was done depuing 14 pounds of shrimp, it was going to be next summer. I give them a quick little rinse because you just want to rinse your stuff. You never know what goes on the other side of that counter. After peeling all the shrimp, you're going to butterfly each and every single one of them, making the cut all the way to the bottom but not going all the way through. For making aguachiles or any types of ceviche, you're going to need lime juice to cook it, and a lot of it. I think I used about 150 limes. You can either do it all yourself or have someone help you, man, because this is an all-man job. We're going to cut and juice all of the limes. You're going to add the lime to your shrimp, make sure they're fully submerged, and then you're going to pop them in the fridge and let them cook for about 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to cut all of our veggies. Here I have 4 cucumbers, and we're going to remove the tips, and then we're going to rub down the tips onto our cucumber so that the bitterness comes off the cucumber. Then I split them in half and remove all the seeds. You don't need the seeds for this recipe. Now you're going to cut the cucumbers into half moons. They should look something like this. Slice lots of purple onion. Make the green aguachile. To your blender, you're going to add cilantro, cucumber, chile serranos, depending on how spicy you like it. If you like it super spicy, you can also add some habanero. We're going to add 3 garlic cloves, and then we're going to blend it using the same lime juice that we used to cook our shrimp. Now it's finally time to season. We're going to add some pepper and salt to taste. To go in here with a little bit of salsa Maggie, and 2 of my secret ingredients is tamarind powder and a little bit of fish sauce. Fish sauce is super salty, so it gives it like a salty flavor plus a fishy flavor because, I mean, seafood, hello. And we're going to mix everything up, and once the saltiness is perfect, you're going to add your sliced cucumbers and your sliced onions. This is almost ready. We're just going to pour the green sauce on top of it, get everything a quick little mix, and then we're going to pop it back in the fridge so everything can be super cold. In the meantime, for the red aguachile, we're going to toast some chile de árbol and chile tepin. Chile tepin is super freaking spicy, so I would be careful. To the blender, you're going to add your roasted chiles, garlic cloves, a little bit of salsa Maggie, and some of your tamarind powder. You're going to blend everything using the same lime juice that you use to cook your shrimp. We're just going to season with a little bit of salt and pepper, give everything a quick little mix, add our sliced onions and cucumbers, and for this one, we're also going to add some mango. Just trust me on this one. Just trust me on this one, okay? If you don't like to add mango, you can also do some pineapple, but the sweetness is going to be a good balance with the spiciness of this aguachile. We're going to add the red sauce and then give everything a quick little mix. Pop it in the fridge so it can get nice and cold. For our fish ceviche, I have some ceviche. I don't know how to pronounce the name of the fish, but we have some white flesh fish. We cut up, put into a plastic or glass bowl, submerge it into lime juice, and then we pop it in the fridge so it can cook for 30 minutes. Once it's cooked, you're going to season it up using salt, pepper, a little bit of salsa Maggie, and again, my tamarind powder. You can also do a couple slices of fish sauce. It's just going to make it even tastier. We're going to add all of our cut up veggies and mix. Once everything's ready, you're going to like, share, and subscribe first. Then you're going to decorate your platters with lots of sliced avocados, some cucumber, and mango slices. Basically, just make them super cute. And there you have it, guys. Hope you like this recipe. Bye!